String theory in less than a minute. Particle physics says everything's made up of point particles with a bunch of different properties, but where do these properties come from? Also, where does gravity come in? Well, what's more complicated than a one-dimensional point, a two-dimensional line? Turns out we can get a self-consistent explanation of all these particles and gravity if we just say that they're all tiny little strings. The way the string vibrates determines what properties it has and therefore what particle it looks like. Now, instead of points tracing out lines, these strings trace out two-dimensional surfaces as they move through space and time, which is how we can describe interactions between them. So are these strings open or are they closed loops? Well, it looks like it could work out both ways. Another problem is that for the theory to work, the strings would need upwards of 11 different dimensions to vibrate into. We can only see 4 dimensions, so we have to think of ways that these other dimensions could be hiding. It doesn't help that the size of these strings is around the Planck length, which is the fundamental limit to how small we can measure. All in all, string theory has failed to produce any measurable predictions, which makes it hard to confirm or deny in experiments and makes people question its validity as a scientific theory.